We can take a pause by listening. Sometimes our minds can be all over the place, chattering, being pulled from one place to the other. But we can also listen to the sounds in our environment. Maybe the sounds near. Maybe the sounds far away. They may be sounds of nature, of industry, of traffic, of people chattering. And often we make judgments on these sounds. I like this, I don't like that. I want more of this, I want less of that. Seeing if it's possible to listen to sounds. Notice how they arise from silence. Stay a while. Maybe fade away, allowing space for another sound to arise, to stay a while. And fade away, and seeing if it's possible to listen to sounds simply as sounds in the raw. Maybe the volume, maybe the tone, the vibration. And noticing if the mind is wanting to name it, to judge it. Or can we simply listen? Maybe closing the eyes, lowering the gaze. Allowing the sounds to come and go. Without judging them. And if we notice that the mind has wandered off, thinking about other things, maybe irritated, maybe bored, then seeing if it's possible to come back to listening. Just allowing sounds to land. Tuning in. And maybe really tuning in to the sounds of our familiar place. What does the sound of our home? What are the sounds of our home? Again, noticing when the thoughts come in. Maybe noticing what thoughts are pulling for our attention at the moment. And starting again to come back to listening. Allowing sounds. To just be here. And for us to simply listen without judgment. Noticing the thoughts that arise and coming back to listening. And we might need to do this over and over as the mind thinks. listening, noticing how their eyes from silence stay a while.